fish on. Today we're acting like morons and we're using ice fishing rods. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button to get notifications every time I upload videos. Oh, fish on.
How fun is that though?
Dude, this is so fun. Oh man. Chum on the ice fishing rod. It is corking my rod though. Now this is where it gets challenging by the boat. Its head shaking good down there. Dude, that's a nice doe.
Oh, almost got a double on.
Dude, it's a beautiful doe. Ready?
Yeah.
You gotta be quick on him. This is tough.
Shit. Go around. Your rod's not long enough.
I know, I'm trying to turn its head. Okay, ready? Yes! That's a nice doe.
That's a nice doe.
That thing's getting bonked.
That's beans.
Yes, on the ice fishing rod. Woo! That one's got beautiful berries. Alright, that's gonna finish it off for this little quick video here. Hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna try to get one. I'm gonna do so make sure you hit that subscribe button. I literally can't speak when I'm cold.
You can.
So make sure to like, subscribe for more videos to come.